Будет. Всем привет. Ребята из онлайна тоже. Всех приветствую, рада всех видеть. Оставайтесь, будет интересно, прикольно. Сегодня у нас будет проходить онлайн и офлайн воркшоп на английском языке по разработке вайб-кодингу. Да, я думаю, что можно начинать. Поприветствуем спикера. Если что, ребята в онлайне, напишите какие-нибудь типа плюсики или приветствуем. Вот это вот все. Да, начинаем.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Dias. I'm CEO of AA Crew Connect. That's a company where we develop some softwares, mobile apps for using AI with integrating with AI as well. If you do not understand my English, I am so sorry. I'm trying my best. No worries about it. I guess you understand. Right. Okay, cool. So today's my topic is vibe coding. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is when you drink coffee and AI writes code for you. Mostly it's about prompting, and there are a lot of different tools that you can but do they hear me online? Yeah. Okay. So vibe coding it's a new, let's say, era of programming where AI helps you to develop anything you want, because I have tried many things from web apps, mobile apps, and gaming. So yep. So what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is where you write in a natural language a prompt, a message to the AI, who then creates for you what you want. For example, if I write, I need a website for my car washing company, he builds quick landing page for this, including all your details that you need to. Then tools that we use when we want AI to help us. The most popular today is Cursor AI. It's an $20 subscriptions per month, giving you limits of tokens that you can use in order to talk to your AI developer. First of all, there's nothing free. There are free trials, yes, but overall, you will come to the point where you need to pay to continue your development. Cursor AI uses a lot of different LM models. Hello, guys. You understand my English, right? Cool. The most popular language is Claude, large language model. It's a Claude. Claude, it's developed by Anthropic. Who knows Claude? Anyone's here? Good. Do you develop using Cursor, Claude Code, anything? No? Cool. So yeah, it can write anything, any language you want, any web app, mobile app, any automation you want. But there are a lot of things like languages that have been taught with. They're not limited. It can write with C, it can write with JavaScript, Python, and anything else. But if you do use, for example, C to develop software, it can bring some troubles because there are not so many softwares that have been built, open source softwares that have been built with C rather than using Python or JavaScript. So it gets all the database open source information from the internet, learns it, and then writes it for you. So, and there are many other tools like Windsurf, Replit, V0, and Bolt. For example, V0 and Bolt, I have never used Replit, but I know V0 and Bolt. These are the websites like ChatGPT, where just open it, write down what you want, it develops for you whatever you have asked for. And let's continue. Okay, model context protocol. Who knows what is MCP? Anyone's here? Anyone's online knows what's MCP? Let me open chat. Okay, what is MCP? Anyone knows what is API? Online, I guess some of you also know what's API. So MCP is like API for AI. Okay, it's 5 lines of a script that connects, for example, let's say Caspi, right? Everyone knows Caspi, connects Caspi with your AI. You write to your ChatGPT, hey, can you please send an invoice to that person? And he does it without you opening the mobile app Caspi. So this is just an example. Caspi does not have MCP, as long as I know, and open source as well, it doesn't have it. But for example, who knows Bittrex? Bittrex CRM system. Yes. So Bittrex might have, I didn't check it, but it might have MCP. You can connect it not with your ChatGPT, but with your Claude. With Anthropic Claude, you download the software, just put these 5 lines of a script into the Claude, and it starts working with Bittrex just like that easily. Let's continue. Okay, MCP Universal AI connector. As I told you, right? Anthropic in 2024 have developed MCP. It's right now, it's like API for the whole world for all AIs. You can take, for example, DeepSeek, the Chinese LLM system, and connect with MCP. It will work. It's not only for Anthropic, but Anthropic is the one who developed it. Yeah, we can see that OpenAI started using it, Google DeepMind started using it, and as well as Microsoft integrated into itself. So effective coding prompts and basic principles. Everyone uses ChatGPT right now. Everyone knows that if you write, hey, tell me about the universe, right? The way it's gonna give you the response is like general, but if you write to him, imagine you're like astronaut and you know a lot about universe, space, with experience of 10 years, it gives you more effective answer rather than just asking him in one sentence, right? Same thing with development. If you give him a normal task, what you want, it will do it for you. Prompt templates that work. First of all, just to tell you that role act as an expert role. You know this. You know that you need to give him a role. If you're using the AI tools like Cursor, for example, it has its prompt already included into the software. You can get it on GitHub, by the way, and it straightly said to you that you are Cursor AI developer, and then it gives like huge prompt for the Cursor context. I'm working with tech stack. Yes, for example, most of you, I guess most of you, you don't know what's development itself. You know that there are websites, there is something about JavaScript that is pain in your ass with JavaScript, but overall, that's all what you might know. And when you start developing with AI, you can easily tell him, develop me a website, right? It's gonna give you HTML plus CSS, not even programming languages. For most people, it will be programming languages, but for developers, HTML and CSS is nothing. It's like really. So you gotta tell him like, I want to use JavaScript, I want to use React, I want to use Vue, Next, and Byte, and so on. For example, for Anthropic, it is working really good with Byte, not Next.js. It's especially Byte. I'm using Byte right now, and it gives me more effective code rather than Next.js. With Next.js, I'm getting a lot of errors. People online, please tell me if there are any developers here, or at least tried something to learn. I'm waiting for you anyway. We'll continue, and people online, please tell me that. So active users for the agentic coding, Cursor, Claude Code, and anything else that I have told you before, the tools, they are AI agents, right? We all know about AI agents, and mostly, first of all, let me explain you. For me, the Cursor, for example, I never thought it is an AI agent until I read about it. Like seriously, for me it was like AI integrated into VS Code and can create folders. But in reality, it is an AI agent for developers, developing AI agent, AI agent, and so on. Of course, I can show you Layla. Don't worry about it. I'm mobile app, no, but I can do it. But it's going to take a lot of time. For the websites, it's much easier. So as you can see, there are numbers, how much they earn, how many people right now using AI for developing. And in my team, I have two senior developers. One of them worked in Sberbank and ВКонтакте, and right now he is using vibe coding. He's using Cursor, Cloud Code for development, and another is Java developer. He worked in banks before, and right now he's totally 100% using AI only. So if you're a developer and thinking vibe coding is a bullshit, no. Kaspi, Halek Bank, they're using Cursor, by the way. If you didn't know, I'm telling you that. Developers told me from these companies. Limitations and considerations. First of all, let me explain you. This presentation have been built with AI. The whole design that you see here have been built with AI. The text also with the AI, but I gave him some hints that these topics that I want to work with in my presentations. So if you see when where it is said that vibe coding only for MVPs, no, it is not only for MVPs. If you're a developer, if you know how to build micro architecture services and all these things, then it can really build huge apps for you. But if you're just a beginner, of course, it will be only for MVP for you. Yeah, and with the security vulnerabilities, the same thing. If you're a DevSecOps and so on, then you can easily work with AI and tell him that to build good security, explain him, give him tools what to use, give him documentation, and he will build for you. Getting started with vibe coding. Choose your tools. This is most important, by the way, because the tool that you're going to choose right now, it might stay with you forever. When I started using vibe coding, I've started with Cursor, and then Cursor changed his pricing models, and I didn't like it, and it's been really pain in my ass to move to something else. But right now I can easily use like 2-3 tools. But once you get used to one tool, you will not want to move to another one. And Cursor AI is not the one that I'm gonna tell you to use. Try to use Cloud Code, for example. It's much better. Learn MCP basics. Yes, MCP is very useful in your development. For example, if you're developing a website and with a database, right? Most of the database right now, they have MCPs. And once you start using it, you can easily tell your AI to go to database, create all the tables there, create all the row level securities, and he'll do it on his own. You don't need to think about it. He can write for you SQL code, but once you start using AI, you become so lazy to open a website and copy paste the code. So you connect MCP and it just does it for you automatically. Mostly you don't need to even tell him to do it. Practice prompt crafting. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you and develop advanced skills. This is most important. Not skills, technical skills, yes. Understand what languages you need to use. Understand which programming language is better in which situations. For example, if I'm developing a Telegram bot, I can use Node.js, right? At the same time, I can use Python. Which one will be better for me to use? What do you think? Python or JavaScript? Python. Why? Because it's easier, less files, less coding, rather than Node.js. For Node.js, he has to create a lot of useless folders. For me, useless, yeah, right? and for most of the people, it's gonna be useless. But for Python, just can create one script, and you'll get your Telegram bot easily and much quicker. There's Copilot. Coder, you know Copilot in GitHub Copilot? Anyone's opening VS Code in your life? You open VS Code? Yes, there's a Copilot right now. It's from GitHub. It's for developers, right? Because you write the code, Copilot helps you to make your code better, optimized, and so on. The future of like coding, I'll tell you one thing. As me, the person who tried to learn development, JavaScript, Java, Python, HTML, CSS. For me, it was like I couldn't do it. I'm very bad in learning, and when I was trying to learn any programming language, for me it was like I did not understand anything, especially when I tried to learn Java. I know who tried to learn Java in your life. One time, 10 minutes. Yeah, and I had a mentor. He was sitting with me and telling me, okay, you have to write this, you have to do this. I'm like, why? What for? And he's like, it's just the rules. You have to do it. I'm like, really? No, I'm gonna wait for AI. Yeah. So future, I really hope that AI will develop 100% of all apps that we have right now in our lives. And secondly, I really want, it is the truth, right? Even big tech companies, they're saying this, that AI will take over most of the jobs in development. So learning by coding is the same thing when 10 years ago, for example, people heard of no code. Who knows no code, right? Flutter, Flutterflow. Do you know Flutterflow? Right? So yeah, same thing when I started Flutterflow. A lot of people were telling me, hey, like Flutterflow is bullshit. You have to do it on Flutter. Right now, so many projects that have been developed on Flutterflow, plus a lot of companies right now in Kazakhstan that are looking for Flutterflow developers, not even Flutter developers. Sometimes they do mix them, but overall, and Flutter and Flutterflow developers, they work in one infrastructure. It's the Flutterflow. Yeah, not everyone, but a lot of I know. So yeah, as no code taking part of the market, same thing gonna be with vibe coding. It's gonna take some part of the market. Uh, I think there's nothing to say about this. And useful resources. MCP, you have to study what's MCP. You can go to Coursera. You can study about Cloud Code. This is the most important. And if you, for example, for Cloud Code, if you're spending like 2 or 3 hours per day on developing your own pet projects, you can get Cloud Code for $20. But if you're like hardcore developer that you're like 24/7 sitting and developing something, then it's gonna cost you $100 per month for Cloud Code, and it's much better than Coursera. I put the Coursera here just because it's very popular in today's world. So I'm gonna go for practice right now. So anyone wants to practice? Yep. I'm gonna share my screen. Allow for once. Yep. Okay. You can see my screen, guys. Oh, okay. It says here that I'm to sharing my screen. Okay. Cool. All right. So, do you have cursor or anything on your nothing? All right. Let me start from what you can download. You can download varp.dev. Download, register. It gives you 150 requests for free, and then it's gonna cost you like $15 monthly if you want to. warp.dev. Okay. I'm gonna send it as well into the chat. Where's our chat? Leila says that she doesn't see anything. Guys, you can speak Russian, no problem, I guess. You can download, you can watch whatever you want. It's like I'm not really pushing you to download it. Right, I'm gonna close the website, okay? Because here I would like to start. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go here and okay, so easier. So as you can see, wait, let me do it in this way so you can see it properly. Okay, open folder. Let me create some. Allow. All right, so what can we do? Let's develop a quick website for Telecom Valley. What do you think about it? Ага. Нет, его visual. Oh, sorry. Can I speak Russian a little bit? Так, здесь. Все все. Вот здесь пишешь. Так, сейчас секундочку тебе покажу. Смотри, у тебя есть agent mode и есть auto mode. Agent mode это именно агент сам, который все пишет, а auto он тут определяет тебе, ты команду ему даешь какую-то определенную, типа создай папку, да, либо ты ему даешь промпт, чтобы он начинал разрабатывать. В принципе, ты можешь, так, это у нас давай в Documents зайдем. Sorry. Warp, W-A-R-P .dev. .dev. Так. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, guys, if you do download this, and because I don't have warp here, but I'm gonna show you very quickly. For example, if you're in terminal, you can open agentic mode and just tell him create. Oops. Wait. That. Okay. Quote. Sorry, let me. Okay, let me download. I don't know why it's not working, but let me try here. Missing API key. Okay, strange. Okay, let me download it as well. So we'll be working together. How's it going, guys, with you? Okay, I'm not ready yet. It's downloading. Check, maybe I have something. Okay, no problem. Sorry, guys, just quickly. I wasn't planning to use VAR, but my cloth is not working. I don't know why. So that's why it's gonna take some time. Everyone's ready? I'm almost ready. Okay. So, all right, let's see what's happening here with our verb. You don't really need anything that is giving here on top. What we need is on the bottom. On the bottom, we have a chat here, and below the chat, we have auto, we have agent mode, and we have terminal. In terminal, we write commands. In agent mode, we write prompts, and auto detection, it means that whatever you write, it will understand it. If it's command, he will write a command. If it's a prompt, it will get a prompt and start building for you something. Else, we have this folder here. Right? Usually, you choose which folder to use where you're gonna create your project. Okay, let's choose folder documents. Let's allow it. And right now, as you can see, it sent a command cd documents. Here, for example, I can write mk dir, let's say Terracon Valley, website. Okay, mk dir, it means make direction, create a folder. Then it tells you, see, if I'm just gonna click on the arrow to the right, it creates a command cd Terracon Valley website, and I'm gonna press enter. It means that I entered this folder. warp.dev. warp.dev. Давайте. Нашли? Можно добавлю света. Download. Так, все скачивается. Так, вы мобилку делаете еще параллельно? Окей. Все. Sign up. Gmail есть? Gmail есть, да? Теперь смотрите, вот, так. Documents. allow, так, cancel, cd, mkdir, это создаем папку, например, там веб-сайт, да? Это командой, да, mkdir это создать папку, make direction. Он создал папку веб-сайт, теперь здесь cd веб-сайт, enter, он зашел в папку веб-сайт. Так. Так, теперь вот здесь agent mode, мы перешли в agent mode. Так, чё? Теперь тут мы будем писать промпты с вами. Окей, I'm back. All right, so right now we can write our prompts. I hope everyone did what I told you. So what do you want to do? Right now, you don't need to follow me. You can think about your own projects. Like what kind of website you want to build. I can tell him, I guess, okay, use, let me try, okay, use search and study website Terracon Valley in Karaganda and create same website, not same, create a similar website but UI Apple. Yeah, most of the prompt that I'm sending him, it's like useless in some ways, but he will understand it, right? I'm not planning to show you how to create awesome prompts that it will do a lot of like things. Usually when you do vibe code, try to give him task by task, okay? Don't give him like a huge technical documentation and telling him like, hey, build me this whole project here. You have to go step by step. And I'm clicking enter, done. Right now, we wait until it creates something. Plus, for example, as you can see, like I will help you research the Silicon Valley website, blah, blah, blah. And the right side, we have a button run. We click on run. And over here, we have a button like to, how to say, auto approve this button here. You have to click on it. Why? Because it will not ask you any permissions. It will just start doing everything without asking you, hey, can I do this? Can I do that? We don't want to like ask him anything from us. Let him. I didn't speak English for a long time. Sorry, guys. Так, сейчас секундочку так сделаем. Может, поярче. Так, I want to create website prototype from web application. Да, норм. Сейчас, все, написали, ждем, когда он все закончит. If you do have any questions, you can ask. We have 20 people online as well. I've started vibe coding when AI wasn't perfect. It's not perfect right now, but it was terrible 1 year ago. And in order to develop some SaaS platform, I had to go through the hell, like literally, because it's been really hard to do something. And but what it gave me, I had to study a lot of like libraries, languages by my own. I have to find the issues because 1 year ago, the AI, he couldn't go to internet and find answers for me. So I had to do it on my own. Right now, it can easily go to web internet, find a solution, and implement it here. And I faced a lot of things like the same problem was repeating and AI couldn't solve it. So I had to go online, find that library, find documentation, read the documentation, copy the documentation because I understand this is the documentation I need. I copy this and send it to AI, and then he fixes everything for me. Right now, you don't have to do it. Warp and Cursor, they are the same. They do use same large language models, same AI. As an interface, they're different from each other. Which YouTube channel to follow, I cannot tell you because I didn't follow any YouTube channels. I just found it and started practicing a lot. This is what I can tell you. If I'm not sure if I can promote some of my own things, can I? No? Easily can promote my own courses. Yeah, I do have courses on vibe coding, where you develop websites, SaaS platforms. You can easily develop mobile apps and automations. I don't like using N8N and 8N. I didn't even try it, but some of my developers, they do use it. So yeah, usually I do vibe coding for everything. I don't use no code right now at all. I guess no code takes more time than vibe coding in order to develop something. You can, by the way, here you can see that it writes what it does, what it did, and right now it says like Silicon Valley Apple inspired website. He have created all these things, and he uses HTML, CSS for that thing. He even did his own SVGs for logo. I'm sure the logo is terrible, what he did, but no problem. Okay, if you have finished, your AI finished developing, okay, two ways to open your project. First of all, this is HTML, CSS, so you don't need to run any commands. You need to open folder documents or where you created your folder with your website. For me, it's in documents, Silicon Valley website, and here I have index.html. I double click on it, and here we have it, Innovation Hub for the digital future. Now, see, there'll be some bugs, easy to fix them, no worries about it. And we can see what we have here. Images, he cannot generate images. Sometimes he uses Unsplash to get images. Sometimes it doesn't use. Right now, it didn't use Unsplash for me to upload these images here. Here it has like upcoming events, everything what we need. Address Karaganda, Kazakhstan, Tech District, Innovation Street, and the phone number. So what can we do next? And here you can see it has like choose your language. And yeah, issues with the coloring. For example, if I click Command A, Shift A, I can see there are actually some navbar things like text here, but it's white. It does make mistakes with colors. I mean, come on, like imagine you were developing this website on your own, which is better, doing on your own or asking AI to do it. So saying that the AI is terrible because it didn't add the colors. I mean, come on, guys. So in header, I'm telling him to improve the header section, the navbar section. Navbar, please make text color black and blue on hover. So as you can see, like I'm using some secret words like header. Header is a navbar menu, right, where we have all the sections. And on hover means when you put your mouse on specific element, it changes the color, right? I'm telling him right now, our text is white. It's supposed to be at least darker than white, right? So I'm telling him change the color to black and blue on hover. So when I hover, see it's still blue. So it's gonna keep the same. So also chosen language, long language text color must be black. I'm testing the website, right? So we can see that it's English language. It's we cannot see the letters here. So I'm asking him to change it to black. So whenever we're gonna change, it's gonna change the color. And else, if we go down, we see if we do see. So here we have issue, but this issue is not a problem. I mean, we can fix it easily and also change the footer. This is footer here. Oops. Like here, this is a footer. Okay. So we have header. This is header. This is footer. And this section is called hero section. The first section that comes up on your website is a hero section. Hero sections, it's kind of fine. At least like it has some paddings, but we need more paddings. So what we can tell him here, also in footer, color of the text must be black, and enter. So right now it's gonna change my colors. How are you guys? Did it finish your work? It's good? You like it? Yes. You're waiting. It's you're using what? White. Okay. It's gonna take more time. So it's gonna change right now. Thinking. So you have 150 requests. One request is your message that you're sending. It doesn't mean that you have to send like huge technical documentation to save your request, but at least try to send him like 5-6 points to do in your website. All right. Yes, you can write in Russian, no problem. You can. I had students, they used to write in Kazakh, Turkish, English, and Russian. Everything's fine. Желательно. No, 150 messages you can send for free. Yes. To upload your website online, there's a prompt. Yes, it's gonna take one request from you at least. Yeah. 150 requests for free only, not during one month, like forever. And then you have to pay for free. I mean, if you purchase domain, you will pay once in a year for the domain. It depends. You buy .com, .ru, .kz. They have different prices. For example, for .kz, it's gonna cost you 5,000 tenge. For what? You can publish it for free without your own domain. Бесплатно, forever. But if you connect your domain, it's gonna cost you money. Yes. Cool. Can you show me? Так, смотрите. На весь экран. Apply changes. И вот сюда. И все. No, this is better. And the original is so. If it knows the website, yes. Also, you can ask him to go online and check the colors, or you can get a prompt. Not prompt. You can get a screenshot of your website that you want and send it to him, and ask him to make it better or use the colors, right? So let's check what it did. Okay, we see that it changed the color, everything's fine, and on the button also, but he changed the whole footer to the black. It was lazy to change the text. He just made the footer black. All right, no problem. So what else we can do with the website? Let's ask him. I'm not gonna use Next.js, JavaScript, React right now because it's gonna take time. But what I can use, for example, let's do it this way. Let's go to website neon.tech, neon.com. I'm gonna send it here as well. For vibe coding, okay, vibe coding is literally coding, right? But AI writes code for you. It can build web apps, SaaS, with subscriptions. It can create mobile apps. It can create games. Uh, it can create some integrations. Literally, it can create a lot of things, but it cannot create your own AI, I guess. First, you study how to do it. Then you go to AI and tell him how to do it, and then he writes code for you. Yeah. So what is neon.tech? Neon.tech is your database. It's free. We click on sign up. Continue with Google. Choose your website. Choose your email. Continue. Here we write project name. Like let's say first project. We choose region Frankfurt. Okay, the region you choose Frankfurt, Europe Central 1 is the closest to us, and data will be loading faster, right? So remember this one. It's always Frankfurt. Any database you're using, always choose Frankfurt. But if you have your own database on your computer locally installed, then yeah, you connect it. But I don't use anything locally. I'm trying to use everything was being created for me because it's easier. Yeah, why do I have to create my own database when there's free ones? Not free ones, but ready ones. So once we are on dashboard, you click on connect, click on copy snippet. Okay, copy snippet, and then you go to your AI and paste what you have copied, and then write connect database, create table for events, and create uh, some examples for events in database, and update the front end part. Let me copy this one and send it to you in a chat, but I'm gonna delete my database and just gonna send you this one. So here I have sent it in the chat, connect database, blah, blah, blah. In the beginning, you paste what you have copied from here, like copy snippet, this code, you write, you edit, oops, too fast, over here in the beginning, okay? So, and we send it. Easy as it is, so we just can get some coffee, chocolate, tea, whatever you like to drink, sit and drink and enjoy your time. Попросите поменять на то, что хотите. Cool, cool. Ой, сейчас. Давайте. Заходим сюда. Sign up. Google. Здесь project name какой-нибудь пишем. Давайте. Вы хотите сразу весь проект создать? Пока сидите. Так, и region. Choose Frankfurt. Ближайший к нам. А какую другую вы хотите? US West? Нет. Это ближайшие серверы, где будут располагаться база данных, откуда мы будем подгружать эти данные на скорость загрузки данных с баз данных. Frankfurt. Create project. Connect. Копируем. Here, Ctrl-V, and you can write connect database, create table, table, news, for example, news, events, whatever you want. Создай, create table, and add examples to the table for the events or news, whatever you want. Okay. We are okay. For example, right now he's telling me that we have a problem with the database. It cannot connect it. So I have to tell him we are using neon.tech as not database, but I'm going to tell him as a database. Here is the connection to it, and send again my copied snippet to him and send it again. It wants me to create superbase a little bit different. I don't really need it. Okay, right now it's working. So if I'm going to open my database, go to tables. Here I can see the events. And here he created some examples for the events in the database. So, okay. Let me. AI and machine learning. Yep, it has all the events. For example, right now, as you can see, it's stack. It doesn't do anything else. So I can click on Command Control or Command S, Command C. No, Control C. Now it continues thinking. Good. Okay. Now start from Control C for macOS and Windows. If it stopped working. Usually when you click on Control C, it just stops working at all, and then the field for a prompt shows up, and you can tell him to continue the task, and it will continue working. So imagine this is your best friend developer. You don't know what you want, and just tell him, do this for me, do this for me, and he will never tell you anything bad, you know. So it's a very best friend developer. So people online, how are you doing? So what's happening right now? If you do read what's happening here, what he does, he says that I will create a simple Node.js server. It means he's creating backend part of the project with Node.js, which is fine. So yeah, but it is like if you don't want to have any problems, you want everything to work, and you will kind of do understand what's happening, it is better to use Next.js, because Next.js mostly it's like full stack development. Everything is backend, front end, everything inside Next.js. But if you're using, for example, Vite or React.js, it will always create separate project as a backend and a front end. If you're a developer, it's fine. If you're not developer, use Next.js. I'm gonna write it down here. Next.js for non-tech people, and everything else is for tech people. So yeah. Okay, it finished. Now I'm gonna, okay, successfully. What else? Okay, gonna copy that part. Control. Okay, here. Successful connected. Okay, okay. Let's check the website again. 15 долларов. Да, да. Ну, если full time, as I mentioned, if you work full time, it's not enough. If you work like few hours per day, it's fine. I'm gonna show you right now one something. Okay, creating. So if you want to change your design, okay, I'm gonna show you very quickly. I'm gonna go to Figma. You can easily send him image of the design, and it will build it for you. But I'm not sure how it's gonna work right now. Let's even check how it's gonna do. have Figma here a lot. For example, if we go here, I'm just gonna show you guys. You don't need to repeat after me. Let's take, oops. Okay. Export. I have a prompt. First of all, I'm gonna send this prompt to the chat if you need it in what's called Zoom chat. I don't know how to send it to you guys. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna send it into the chat, and I'm gonna send the prompt that I have downloaded or the image over here. Paste that prompt. Let's send it. And quickly, I'm gonna create a new project. Okay, here. So I sent him the design that I want. I asked him to create a JSON file of all the colors, fonts, and so on. And he's creating this JSON file for me. All right. Once he finishes it, I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna go to my warp, for example, attach image, go downloads, choosing the page I need. Let's finish until he's finishing this thing here for me. Who wants to build a startup? You? And you guys? You don't want startup? No. What about online, guys? Anyone wants to build a startup? Why are you here? Salesman? Ah. Oh, nice. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, I have an image here. I have the code. He finished it. And in the beginning, I'm going to tell him create a page. I'm going to ask him HTML, CSS. and JavaScript. 100% similar as in the photo, and enter. Done. So right now he's going to develop the same image for me. I'm not using JavaScript. I'm not using Next.js or Vite, React, because it's going to take time. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Я заматерился. А? Так. Again, create 100% same page as in the photo. Pasting the code and attaching the image. Okay, done. Okay, now enter. You can make beep there. Beep. Okay, now we are waiting. In my practice, it is a little bit not stressful, but disappointing, because sometimes he does not understand your language. If you're a tech guy, it is a perfect instrument. It's like it will really build something for you. But the problem with the tech guys, they don't understand business. This is another problem for you. While we are waiting, I'm going to show you how I usually start developing the projects, right? For example, I don't use ChatGPT for development, for technical documentation, for anything that is about development. I don't use ChatGPT. I'm using Claude or Gemini. Who knows what is Gemini? Put your hands up. 2 people. Okay. Let's do Brave browser. It has Gemini has like perfect tools. Yep, Google AI. One of them is the research part. Another one, it's only the deep research part. It's perfect for Gemini. It's the best out of all AIs, by the way. It doesn't lie to you. For example, if you're using ChatGPT, it lie 50% what he's told you, it's a lie. Okay, Claude is better, not lying to you, but Gemini is the best. It's like maybe 90%, it's 100% proved information. So I'm telling him I want to develop a mini SaaS platform for dogs to buy clothes. Yeah, and I'm clicking on deep research. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's gonna take a lot of time to research the information for me. But let's say, yes, I want to do it, and then he tells you, all right, let's think about it. Deep research gives you analytical about the project. Not this word, another word. Отчет какой-то дает он вам. Sorry за Russian. And here he's telling you right now like how to develop it, which is not the best. What I want from him, is the analytical research about this niche, about this market. But anyway, so he created for me technical documentation. Then I tell him I want CGM, customer journey map. Whoever goes through incubations or accelerations, you should know what is CGM. Who knows what is CGM? Nobody. People online, if you do know, please click on plus or whatever it is. So customer journey map. It is how your customer understands his pain and how he comes to your platform, how he becomes your customer. This is a customer journey map. So you must read whatever AI gives you. Usually I don't do it because whenever I give him any task, I give him 100% what I want, right? I do go through a little bit, maybe here and there, but it is better to go through everything. So he gave me the CGM. Let's see. Anara is scrolling through Instagram Reels on a Tuesday evening. She sees a targeted ad for a post from Kazakhstani pet influencer. It features a French bulldog, just like Marsik, looking dapper in a unique winter parka. Intrigued, she clicks the link in the bio for positive threats. Okay, and then she says, "Wow, that dog looks so cool. I want to buy the same dog from the same clothing for my dog as well." Then second stage lands on mobile friendly website, blah 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 blah, and then she purchases it. Okay, so this is how she buys it, right? But then what we want CGM for uh, the landing, then detailed page of clothes, then page of what's called purchasing like bank information and so on. Also, I'm adding here UX and UI. Add UX UI. Who knows what is user experience and user interface? Okay, so what is user experience and user interface? Open any AI chat website like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek. All of them are the same. Why? Because users, they got used to the same design. They know where what is located. And if me, I'm some crazy dude and I'm saying, okay, I'm gonna create awesome user experience website, user interface, totally different from ChatGPT, I'm gonna lose a lot of clients because once they open my website, they will say like, where is the text field to send messages? Because in my head, I think people will love my design, but in reality, they're waiting something similar to ChatGPT. Okay, this is very important. So that's why I'm saying to him, add UX/UI. So he's gonna create for me right now CGM from landing page. Then he chooses the product. He goes to his detailed page about the product, and then he goes to purchasing page. With this CGM, I just can copy it and straight send it to my AI. Oh, apply changes, enable, close, and this. Okay. So he finished the job. Really, I don't have to read it right now. I can easily, once it's done, I can copy it and just paste it to my AI and he will do whatever I want. All right, finished. Let's see what he did. Where is it? Please. This is what I got. Okay. And the design is like this. Almost same, right? I lost it. Design Вот это. I sent him this the image. I downloaded it from Figma. I sent it to him. Plus, I sent it to, let's say, ChatGPT to create JSON file for all the colors and not this one. This is the presentation. Gemini. Oh, for what? For research, Gemini. For development, Claude. Yeah, here design system JSON. Here he created the in this prompt like how everything gonna look like. Why it is a little bit, not a little bit, why it is different from the design? Because first of all, it does not have the right libraries for pie charts, line charts, and so on. He needs like 100% understandable library from where he takes this design. But overall, same as you can see, it's like, okay, it's good beginning, right? In the future, we can improve it once we're gonna add Next.js or Byte, then we find correct libraries for it, for the design, we implement everything here. It's gonna, in the end, it's gonna give you 90% similar look as in your Figma. Who, you're developer, right? You or you? Who is developer from you? Oh, you're developer. You know the crazy mind of developer of designers, and then you're like you hate them for that shit, for that thing. And yeah, same thing here. Like AI tried to do something, yeah, but he doesn't have the correct libraries for it, and it's really hard to create your own things, especially with the AI. So anyway, what we can do next? Next, we can go to the website vercel.com. Vercel.com. Please register there. Oops, not that part, not that one. Delete, delete. That one. Vercel.com. I'm gonna log out from here. And this is the website you need to open. This is the website where we're gonna publish our website. Same, go sign up. I'm working on personal project, my name, continue with Google, choose your Gmail, and then you are here. Send me plus if you are here. And guys, if you registered on that website, please let me know. Sign up. Your name. Mhm. Mm. Okay. So I guess everyone registered. Else what we can do, we just tell him where's var deploy that project to Vercel. That's it. And we click enter. Deploy. Опубликуй проект на Vercel. Deploy the project to Vercel. This is quick workshop. Don't worry about it. Just everything's fine. Looks great. Yeah, just make deploy and then you can play around with it. Like it will install for you Vercel CLI and so on. In the end, it will like normally deploy it. So for you, it's going to take some time. For me, a lot of things have been already created, installed. Guys, one quick look, please. Look here. It says setup and deploy. Then it's asking me yes or no. So he's asking me, do you want to deploy that project? Here I have to send him Y, like yes, Y, enter. Then he asked me to choose the folder. It is Dias Jumagalиев folder. I'm clicking on enter. Link to existing project. Here I'm gonna say no. What is your project's name? I'm just gonna click on enter. In which directory is your project? Here you can easily click enter. I have to send him the folder name. Oops, okay, I'm just gonna click enter. Okay, just enter. Want to modify this settings? We say no, we don't want to modify any settings. Just N. And allow full access. I don't know why he needs it, but no problem. Yep, and now it is deploying. Right now, for me, it cannot deploy because of, I guess, some things like I'm using HTML, not like JavaScript. So I can see right now it's not, it cannot deploy because I've never tried to deploy HTML because like nobody deploys HTML. And yeah, so what we can do if you have faced the same issue like me, create Next.js project landing page for that project and then deploy it. I'm going to tell him to do like this. Ok to proceed. Yes. Yes. So if you're developing websites, landing pages, use Next.js. For you, it is better. While it is working, I can show you some things like what I've been working on and so on, like examples of the projects. No, 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 no. Let's check. Nope. Error here. I guess this is the wrong. Yes, this is the wrong one. Mhm. Here's the one of the projects. So this project that I'm showing you right now, okay, I don't have it. Okay. So this project, it is we have created AI agent that goes to U.S. Embassy website and applies to the US visa. So here we're supposed to have like a anketa that you fill up and then click on send and the bot starts working. But here I need the personal link. I have no idea where to get it because it's my team working on it. Then we have our website. This website, as you can see, like very nice, beautiful. That you can. This one's built, been built with Next.js. So we had AI forum in Astana. We ran it. Then the courses here, and the website I like is this one. Okay, this website is really nice. We have like 3D animations behind and swipe coding, a lot of different animations here. Those students that registered on our website, you can open their page, you can see their projects here. They have their own personal link. I can copy it and go like here, open like exactly his page. Uh, then this thing, I don't know how to explain them in English, but this is how you can really develop uh, the websites. And the best part I love is that part. phone number, choose the package, continue, something here, private sending the forum, and then we get it notification on Telegram, and every user they have their own page dashboard. Here they can check out the new work jobs, freelancing jobs, and what else? There's admin panel for admin, of course, that I can see like what's up here, new users and so on. So yeah, I mean, this is what you can, this minimum what you can develop if you are talking about the websites. For mobile apps, I cannot show you because I didn't publish any mobile apps using AI because I don't work with, right now I don't work with mobile apps. Usually my clients, they want the website. What else I can show you here? Oh, this is my pet project. Is sending security links. For example, I can go here. I can create a new link here. For example, like API keys. I can write something here. I can set up password here. I can say in how many hours this link will expire. For example, like 1 hour. How many views? How many times this link can be opened? I say like one time, for example. Create secure link. I don't know how you can use it. This project. Gemini told me this is very good project. You can create this project. I believed him. I created it. Now I don't know how to use it. Like who are my users? I don't know to whom I can sell this project. Yeah, but I created it. Why not? And I can send it to the chat. Yes, it will be recorded. Don't worry. It will be on the website of Silicon Valley. B2C. Yes, this is B2C maybe. The only thing I have been thinking of, it's like sending images. That's it. But everything else is like, for example, here's environment keys. If I open that link, access denied. See, link has expired. Cool. And right now I want to develop something else, like very easy, very quick, that you can make money on. And what else? Yeah. Any questions? This is just very quick workshop, guys. This is not like full course, but if you practice a lot, you can build many different things. Like я сейчас только что показывал, да, вот этот первый сайт, потом this website. This website also for Visa. Also, we have AI integrated. I fill up the form and then click on send, and AI starts. Сейчас покажу. I'll explain right now. I think. I don't remember the password. There's admin panel. So this project is not about the website. Can I say in Russian? Да? Этот сайт, это не демонстрация сайта. Здесь вся логика, вся крутая логика во внутрянке. Я заполняю анкету, например, в Италию, подаю на визу в Италию, заполняю анкету, да, там семейную, скажем. И когда я подаю анкету, подать семейную заявку, у меня включается AI-бот, который заходит на сайт Италии и сам подает на визу и записывается в Embassy. Вот. То же самое мы сделали с Америкой. Заполняете заявку, форму заполняете, и да, 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 тоже все сюда можно загрузить. Там 200 вопросов на американскую визу. Я очень много клиентов, которые идут в турагентство, чтобы они подали за них на визу. Да, поэтому у нас одно турагентство заказало этот проект, потому что они хотят сэкономить на зарплате, не знаю. И мы им делаем это на американскую. У нас там американская виза, европейские все визы, Великобритания и Канада. Да, вот. И это все через искусственный интеллект мы это интегрируем. Они там сами оплачивают. Здесь нету оплаты. Оплата у них там сами, они без оплаты мы им делаем. Они там сами оплату берут и все остальное делают. У нас в админке они отмечают оплачено, не оплачено. Вот. У них в офисе? Да. Нет. Подключение оплаты – это очень долгий процесс. Не скажу, что тяжелый процесс, но очень долгий процесс. Это, да, можно, но это, опять же, долгий, да, процесс. Там, чтобы получить доступ к оплате, у нас последний раз заняло это 2 месяца. Мы ждали одобрения от банков. Столько бюрократии там, чтобы это все сделать. Головная боль, столько матов от клиентов, столько матов от нас, столько матов от всех, короче. У нас в Казахстане это очень бюрократичная система. Там просто так не подключить. Я уже сколько раз это проходил. Я просто, вот сколько я хочу к своим сервисам подключить оплату, я просто сдаюсь от того, что сколько документов они у меня запрашивают, а мне просто лень это все делать. Вот человек кивает, понимает. Да. Вы подключили оплату. Вы что именно подключали? Какую? Казахстанские компании это? Нет, а оплата, вот интеграция с оплатой, там что у вас было? Какая? Он, он российскую подключал. Да. Скорее всего, это давно было? Stripe, наверное, он подключал. Я не знаю, что он подключал, но по Казахстану, если скиньте мне информацию. MCP here was what? Vercel, Neon. Okay, for MCP, let me explain you very quickly. For example, if I open neon.com, neon.com, I go to docs. Нет, можно сложное делать. Сейчас попробую показать, если он работает. Секундочку. Окей. Neon.com. А где у них MCP? У них тут было MCP. Так. Сейчас, секундочку, быстренько зайду. У них есть MCP у Неона. Можно его... Но для Неона MCP не нужен. Там, в принципе, и с командами нормально все работает. Но если мы возьмем Supabase, это другая база данных, что-то типа Неона, у них есть MCP, который реально помогает работать с google.com. Так, Neon MCP. Вот он, Neon MCP сервер. Если мы его подключим, например, то наш искусственный интеллект, это вот этот вот VARP, да, он сам будет заходить на neon.com и сам все делать. Но для Неона нету смысла это подключать, потому что Неон, с ним очень легко работать через команду, ну и легко с ним работает. Если, например, если делаете мобильные приложения, то вы будете использовать базу данных Supabase. Вот здесь MCP будет очень полезен, MCP от Supabase, потому что тут потяжелее слегка работать с базой данных. Да, тут лучше MCP подключить. Так, теперь по поводу проектов вы спрашиваете. Сейчас глянем. У нас есть один проект. Сейчас я его найду. Вот он. Так, теперь логин и пароли к нему. Здесь, да. Так. У меня команда работает над проектом, я сам лично не работаю над проектом, поэтому мне нужно эти все доступы находить. Так, вот он. Нет, 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 нет. Так, superadmin.com. Так. Окей, так, save. Здесь самый важный момент – это книги. Вот, например, у нас есть книга. Например, я нажму, я не знаю сейчас, вот она, книжка наша. Так, скрыть меню. Это что у нас? Окей. Так, это страница. Так, свойства закроем. Да, тут чуть. Ага. Так, вот. Это у нас ноу-кодом пользовались. Ноу-код это drag и drop, да? Берем что-то, перекидываем сюда. Он здесь появляется. И здесь мы можем разместить ее куда хотим. Вот. Это вот один из сложных проектов, который мы сейчас делаем. Мы сейчас все полностью меняем, потому что заказчику не понравилось то, что мы сделали по дизайну именно. Они захотели другой дизайн, нам приходится сейчас все это менять. Вот. Это один из моментов. Там я могу фотографию вставить, видео вставить, аудио вставить. Там красиво могу оформить. В принципе, это верстка книг, которые потом идут на печать, которые одобряются правительством, ну, законодательством там, и так далее, так далее, так далее. Да, да, но это чисто для школ. Мы здесь, например, как администратор я сейчас нахожусь. Так, вот управление ключами. Я создаю для школы ключ. У школы есть учителя. Для каждого учителя создается свой ключ. И для каждого студента, ученика, школьника создаются свои ключи для доступа на этот сайт, чтобы они могли зайти и онлайн-книгу открыть. И учиться по онлайн-книге. И там также тесты выполняются. Нет, там есть методисты специальные, которые создают, а учителя уже это используют. Да, да. Это специальный метод. Там у нас 6 ролей. Школа, авторы, методисты, модераторы, учителя, студенты. Не, учителя ничего не делают. Методисты – это профессионалы, которые умеют работать с книгами, которые знают, какие книги делать. Потом эта книга отправляется в Министерство образования. Нет. Это я не знаю. Там внутрянку я не знаю ничего. Я знаю то, что мы вот это вот. Технически это ну, нелегко. Да, вот разработчик сидит. Нелегко? Нелегко. Это специальная компания, которая делает эти книги. Вам бесплатно, но за это же правительство оплачивает. чтобы школы получили книги и так далее. За каждого ученика они отдельно оплачивают, дают доступ. Да. Ну, как зачем? А школы же открывают доступ сюда и смотрят, какие, ну, они онлайн же сейчас учатся. Для них бесплатно будет. Вот не знаю я в бизнес не лезу. Это вопросы не ко мне. Не мой проект. Ну, это люди до этого пользовались финской компанией. Да, теперь они свою хотят сделать. Свой сайт. А тогда они там огромные суммы каждый год платили финской компании. В зависимости от, во-первых, сервера, во-вторых, это у нас микроархитектура здесь полностью все будет, поэтому, в принципе, нормально выдержит. Но там за сервер они будут оплачивать несколько лямов в месяц. Вот. Ну, это большой сайт. Они хотят там 100 тысяч учеников за раз закинуть, дать доступ. Поэтому я не знаю, чтобы...
У меня есть такое предложение.
Конечно.
Так, если у ребят из онлайна нет вопросов, то мы можем завершить трансляцию.
Да.
Если будут показываться, если захотите пообщаться, посмотреть еще дополнительно какие-то проекты, то через ноутбук,
Можете
либо
писать
через
мне.
также.
Алло?
Да. Вам писать, связываться. И у нас также сейчас кофе-брейк. Будут вопросы, сможете обратиться на кофе-брейке, поболтать. Вот. Как вам
Да,
идея? Супер. Так,
конечно.
ребята онлайн. Никого не вижу, вопросов не вижу. Тогда всем спасибо большое и хорошего вечера.